What is acceleration? When the velocity of the object changes, we see the object accelerate. Let us understand this with more example. If a car starts from rest and moving due to east has the velocity of 2 meter per second after 1 second. So here its velocity has increased by 2 meter per second in 1 second. So what will be the acceleration? Acceleration of this car will be 2 meter per second per second. Have you ever noticed that while driving a car, when the speed of the car suddenly increases, our body feels forward push? And if the brake is suddenly applied to the car, we feel the push is towards back, or the jerk we feel it's towards backward. Similarly, if we take sharp right, our body feels pushed towards left. From the example that we have seen just now, what we have observed, we have seen that whenever there is a change in velocity, there is acceleration. So it is not wrong if I say change in velocity is related to acceleration. So change in velocity is nothing but acceleration. Now let us define what is acceleration. Acceleration is defined as change of velocity in unit time. If you will write mathematically, it will be acceleration is equal to change of velocity divided by time taken for that change. Whenever we talk about change in velocity, it always final velocity minus initial velocity. So the final velocity here we represent it with v and the initial with u. Whereas the time t is the change time taken for this change. Let us see another example. For the steady increase of velocity from 20 meter per second to 50 meter per second in 5 seconds. So here the final velocity is 50, initial velocity is 20 divided by 5. So your acceleration will be 6 meter per second square. Now here, acceleration is scalar quantity or it's a vector quantity. So yes, acceleration is the vector quantity. That means we have to consider magnitude and direction both. However, at present, we'll consider only the motion in a straight line and so the magnitude of the velocity will equal to the speed and the magnitude of the acceleration will equal to the change of the speed in unit time. So here since there is no scene of direction, there is no change of direction over here, so your velocity will be equal to speed over here, and we have, because it's a straight line, it's a straight path, there is no change of direction over here, so we can take a speed at the place of velocity. Same change in velocity with respect to time, you can take any speed over here. As you can see, for every 1 second the speed is increasing by 5 meter per second, so acceleration will be 5 meter per second square. Now the important thing about the acceleration is positive if the velocity is increasing. If there is increase in velocity, acceleration is positive, and vice versa. If there is decrease in velocity, we can say the acceleration is negative. So here the negative acceleration doesn't mean the number is negative, it's the direction. The negative and positive is related to the direction, since acceleration is the vector quantity. Now the positive acceleration is, we know, is acceleration. What does a negative acceleration call? Negative acceleration is also known as deceleration or retardation. So if you have any query about the acceleration, you can write in the comment and I will answer that.